Pre-pandemic, Amazon accounted for 50% of e-commerce sales. And now, in this current climate, it is estimated at 70% of online purchases are going through Amazon. It essentially runs like a Google, like a search engine. People are actually looking for products by searching, looking for solutions by searching Amazon directly. We also know that people have adapted quickly and adopted buying grocery items, a lot of food items online, and are looking for those kind of solutions where in the past, food items have always trailed behind other kind of categories like electronics and toys and books and things like that. So we know that the curve has dramatically risen. People are becoming accustomed to this, and I think this is a trend that will continue. So if you're wondering whether you missed the Amazon boat, if it's too late, or whether you should be on Amazon, or if it's a good idea, I want you to keep watching this video. We're gonna get to the bottom of this. For the best packaged food advice, please subscribe to this channel by clicking on the button below and clicking on the bell to be notified every time I release a new video all about starting a profitable packaged food business. Hey there, I am Sari Kimbell. I am the creator of Food Business Success, and I have helped hundreds of entrepreneurs start and grow their packaged food business, helping them to get into successful farmers markets, launch onto grocery store shelves, and grow their business online. Comment below and let me know what type of business you're starting or growing, and I would love it if you would also give this video a thumbs up. One of the best lessons you can learn as an entrepreneur is that you cannot know everything in your business. You cannot be an expert at everything. And the trick is knowing where you should be spending your time and building your expertise and where you should go find experts to help you. I am an expert in a lot of things around the packaged food industry, the CPG industry, but I am not an expert in Amazon. That is far too large of a nut to crack for one person trying to do a lot of different things to help packaged food businesses. So of course I go out and I find the Amazon expert who specializes in helping food brands be successful on Amazon. So I'm really excited to get to talk with Shannon Roddy. He and I have known each other for over a year now and work together in a lot of capacities. I send all of my clients his way when they want to get onto Amazon. So we are going to get down to the bottom of this question about whether now is the time to be on Amazon, if your brand is right, your product is right for Amazon, how to be successful, and what to expect. The last thing I want you to do is jump on the Amazon wagon and then not be successful or not be profitable, right? I mean, you need to have sales and you actually need to make a profit. He was telling me that some of his food brand clients are seeing growth since February in 1,000% growth, 7,000% growth. So the opportunity is definitely there, but I want you to know what to expect when you're going on Amazon and be prepared to really be successful. So I'm going to ask him all of my burning questions and the questions that I know you have. We're also going to open it up to a live Q&A so you can ask him those questions that maybe I forgot to ask him myself. So if you're watching this video before April 16th, 2020, please get registered and join us very soon. If you're watching this after our webinar has passed, you can still catch the replay by clicking the same link below, and I will send you that replay right to your email. In the meantime, be sure to check out all the great videos about starting and growing a profitable packaged food business on the Food Business Success YouTube channel. And please be sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video. To help you in your journey as well, I have included links to some other free resources in the comments below, including a link to grab my checklist, the startup checklist for food brands, as well as my top 10 mistakes and how to avoid them free PDF. So check those out as well. All right, until the webinar, until you get your questions answered about Amazon, I want you to keep moving forward. Food is a fantastic industry to be in right now, and I want to help make your food business real.